Hi guys, I'm here again in my garden. Welcome back to my channel. I just want you to show you all the updates after the rain. Few days rain yesterday, the other day too. I just want you to show you the lettuce, update of the lettuce. My pichay, my pichay is still okay, and some of the seedlings that I planted too. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And let's go there, guys. Okay, let's go there. And I need to walk slowly here because we have one dog that she have a puppy on the other day, and then you can get closer really to her. She's a wild dog, and it's because that's her first time puppy. So I think I understand her, but I just hope next puppy to her, she won't be like that. She will be screaming if I get closer to her. So when I gave some milk to her, she only have two puppies, but one dead is because he can. Me and Philip, there under the, I put a tarp there. Me and Philip want to move her in the next to the house, but you can't really touch her. But when I give milk to her, I just set it a little bit far away. So here are my pichay, guys, after the rain. So even if the rain is not really a heavy rain, but it helps really a lot. So it helps a lot here because I'm collecting water too. And the pichay are really fantastic healthy, guys. In fact, this morning I pick up some leaves and I make it soap. So very healthy, my pichay. They just need a rain really. And so big different from the water because as you can see here, they're getting dark and thick, and the here the stem. And here's my pepper, and here are the my tomato, more tomato, and here is my kangkong there. Okay, then let's move this side, guys. My tomato sucker. So they're pretty cute. Some they're starting here tomato, and there too. Where was that? I saw it here. Tomato. They're not healthy, but I just replanted this one a few days. Here there is. I need to get this one. Very cute. Wow. The tomatoes looking good. Oh, here. One. It's a funny tomato. And these are all sucker, guys. Okay. And with my beautiful garden. And here Let's walk here a little bit. I'm making a mess here, guys. Very mess. Because I was so busy really yesterday and then the other day and today this morning too. I keep on replanting and I still have more lettuce to be replant. So I did this one a while ago, then I'm already done planting. So my deal, it's looking good. That's my deal. Very healthy. I'm so happy for the rain. And today, you should see the lettuce here. Very okay. My lovely lettuce. Super duper healthy. Oh God. I am so happy. Wow. So this is a success experiment, guys. And here this side in the middle. Wow. You should see the green leafy. Wow. You should see that one, guys. And here, wow. I love it. And I put here a sack, so when it rains, they won't, because it will, the leaves, it will destroy, damage, so I put a tarp there. Then this side, that's already the old one. Yeah, that's all my lettuce here. My update lettuce. They're so gorgeous, really. Very fantastic. It is very nice now. Nice breeze and some a little shade. I can't really get enough here in my garden. I'm so thankful for the nice location here. Nice breeze, nice, but we only lack of water. But we still survive even if we don't have running water here. We just pitch water, and from the rain too we collect. But we still survive, and we still have plants growing here, vegetables growing here. And this is the last batch lettuce, guys. The one that I replanted last few weeks, and the deal is still going on. Lovely deal. Okay, that's all the update here, and I am not sure what's going on to this is eggplant here. I said this one yesterday on the open area, but I noticed this one just broke and died, so it must be too much water on it. Anyhow, I'll just plant more because I love eggplant really. And the last sucker, guys, tomato. They're pretty good. They're looking good. So let's walk up here, walk to the backyard, because I want you to show you my tomato. So tomato here producing not many, but they're still have some flower. And here, oh, this is ready to pick, but I don't have any. I'll just pick up that one later. Not much tomato, but I'm just so glad that they produce some, so I won't complain it. It's better than nothing. Diba, guys? You know. Okay. Oops. Here. More tomato too. This one. Some tomato. Here. Ready to pick. I need to get some container.